Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When I entertain during the hot summer months, I still want to serve my guests a dessert. The most important thing is I want something that's easy to make, and if I can avoid turning the oven on, it's even better. In today's episode, I'll show you the easiest summer recipe you can make, and it's my Biscoff Icebox Cake. It takes 10 minutes to assemble, pop it in the freezer, and a few hours later, you have a tasty light dessert. Sounds good, right? So my friends, let's start. Here's a 9x5 loaf pan, and what we'll do is to line it with some plastic wrap, making sure it covers the inside completely, leaving extra length on the outside of the pan so we can wrap the dessert later. So this recipe is pretty simple. We'll scoop up a little bit of whipped cream and spread it out so it covers the bottom of the pan. And for the rest of it, we'll equally divide it in 3 portions. You'll see what I mean in a few seconds. I didn't show you how to make the perfect whipped cream because there's a full episode on it. Therefore, click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. Next, we'll tightly place a layer of Lotus Biscoff cookies before scooping up a third of the whipped cream. Now you understand what I meant earlier. And spreading it out evenly to cover the cookies. From here, we'll place our thinly sliced strawberries. Although you can always substitute bananas, blueberries, peaches, mangoes, or a mix of them. Have fun with it. It's a summer cake. When this layer is done, we'll place more cookies on top, nicely covering the fruit slices. What comes next? That's right, another third of whipped cream, and like earlier, we'll spread it out evenly to cover the cookies. Then comes another layer of fruit, followed by more Biscoff cookies, and our last layer of whipped cream. We'll now place our final layer of fruits, and the same with the cookies. If there are some gaps, break the cookies in smaller pieces to cover them. We'll wrap with the overhanging plastic wrap and transfer it to the freezer for 4 hours. When it's time to serve, we'll unwrap the cake, invert it onto a serving plate, and carefully remove the cling film. If you don't eat all of it like I did, it's a good idea to keep a little bit of whipped cream to patch up any spaces. We'll drizzle on some of my dark chocolate sauce, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Another alternative is to drizzle on some Biscoff cookie butter, and if you opt for that, warm it up a little to thin it out so it's easier to handle. And my friends, this is our Biscoff Icebox Cake. Light, crunchy, and so tasty, this easy cake is perfect for summer. Using your favorite fruits, yummy cookies, and whipped cream, this is a match made in heaven. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!